Deep inside the Amazon rainforest, hidden among endless green shadows, live some of the rarest birds on Earth. Brilliant colors flash through the skies as scarlet macaws scream across the ancient forest. Above them all rules the mighty harpy eagle, one of the most powerful birds in the world. The Amazon toucan looks almost unreal, with a giant rainbow-colored beak built by nature itself. Some birds are no bigger than a finger, yet their wings beat faster than the human eye can see. Then comes the strange hoatzin, often called the dinosaur bird because of its ancient appearance. Many Amazon birds wear colors brighter than gemstones, hidden in the jungle sunlight. But the deeper the forest becomes, the stranger the sounds you hear. Some birds perform magical dances to attract a mate, turning the jungle into a living stage. Every feather, every call, every movement is part of the Amazon's hidden symphony. And when darkness falls, mysterious hunters silently awaken. Scientists are still discovering new species deep inside these unexplored forests. The Amazon is not just a rainforest. It is a living world filled with wonders beyond imagination. But many of these incredible creatures are now threatened by deforestation and climate change. If the Amazon disappears, some of these voices may vanish forever.